What the hell are you doing in that? Never mind.
Stay down.
There's a pig marked with an X in there. The feds will notice it when forensics come in. Get it out there for me.
Good night, sweet ghost.
Looks like they sent an extraction team to feed us civilians, folks.
Drop your gun, now. Kneel before Duke.
They're deploying SWAT units. Get ready to face some heavy firepower.
Medical bag is ready.
Hands up.
Okay.
Stick them up.
Tie yourself up.
Grab as
Come with
much
me.
as you can.
Help! Help!
Watch out.
Great, you got the gas. I need more though. This is it.
Down! Get down! Hands up! Drop it now! It's secure! Drop your weapon!
Stop it. Don't kill civilians.
On your knees! Put your cuffs on! Let's go!
Go ahead.
Drop your weapon! Okay, you got it secure. Digits in the air!
Crawler is down.
Cowardly bastard! Well, we could fucking stay you.
No time for a nap! Hey, Clover! Come on! Follow me! Drop it, now! Drop your weapon! Hands up! Drop your gun! Hands up! Digits in the air! Get down! Cuffs on! Now! Drop your weapon! Get down on your knees! Put your cuffs on! Heel